Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have some Modelones to show you. They sent me this beautiful nail polish kit. There's 32 polishes in this box. And I don't know why my camera is so shaky there. And they also sent along some dehydrator and primer, which I desperately needed. I have one client that is so hard on her nails, and I did try this on her one day last week, and she hasn't called and had any chips yet, so I'm assuming it did well for her. So going on that, I am going to recommend that. And let's take a look at these polishes. It's a big box. There are 32 polishes in here. They are 7 mil a piece. And I believe there's a base coat, top coat, matte top coat, and a primer also in here. All right, here we have it. I opened it all up. There are, as you see, a full array. Now there are several kits that you can get with different color combinations. And there is a base coat, top coat, matte top coat, and the primer. Very nice. We're really glad they sent that primer because it is helpful. I don't always use primer on people, but sometimes they just need it. This is gel polish. You do need a lamp to cure. And they have a huge Black Friday sale going on also right now. So be sure and check that out. I'll put the link below. And I'm not sure. I think this kit here with 32 pieces was, I'm going to say $28. And I'm not going to waste swatch sticks. I'm just not going to use swatch sticks on this because that's a lot of plastic that I'm putting out there in the world. And I really am trying to cut back on that. All right, so I've got this mat here. I've not tried this on here. This I am supposed to be able to practice artwork and stuff on and then cure it and pop it off. So I haven't tried it, so hopefully it will. We'll soon find out. The first two colors, that first one was a neutral, really nice, and then a pale yellow. It's like a butter yellow. These are all beautiful. They're all one coat, pretty much. I don't know anybody that does just one coat with polish. Unless like it's black or white and you're putting something else over it. You're just using it for behind something. This one is a really pretty bright peach color. It's almost a neon. And this one is a really pretty orange. The numbers, they're reversible. I don't know. I kept running across this. It's like no matter what number they put on the top, if you turn it around, it pretty much always, unless there's a 1 or a 7 or a 4, interchangeable numbers. And there are some browns. And that first one is kind of a cinnamon. And the second one is just a neutral brown. It doesn't really lean either way. And this one is a little, it's warmer. Almost a little orange. And here's a really dark brown. And this one is, it's a multichrome. It has like a flash of red and gold. One of my favorites. I think that when she sent me the link to choose which grouping I'd like, I think I picked the one that just had the most sparkle in it. Isn't that pretty? see the red, kind of almost pink sometimes. Very pretty. And here we have it's a pretty deep pink. I thought it was kind of fuchsia. And see what I mean? Either way, it's a number. You can't buy these individually anyway, so I don't even know why they bother. Well, I guess they need it for their reference, maybe. I don't know. Lot numbers. And that one is also, it's a really pink leaning red. And this one, I didn't realize it is like a glass red, a sheer glass. I don't know. Sheer, I don't really see. I don't know. It's not really sheer. It is more just like a glass. It is transparent. I'm not sure how to describe that. There are a couple in here and they are beautiful. And this one is definitely a kind of a blurple. It is a periwinkle blue purple. Oh 0909 6060. I don't know. You tell me. Very beautiful purple. Like so many of these colors, you can see as they line up there are going to look so amazing with each other. This one is also, as you can see that when I pulled it out, you can see the bottle. It is also a glass transparent kind of color. Yeah, I don't know. 800, 08. We don't know. This one is also a glass. Is that what they call it? Is that the word I'm trying to think of? Glass, transparent, sheer, whatever you want to say. I don't know. And that is another brown one. I thought it was going to be purple from the top. And now that I think about it, I should have I've got so many of those little swatch dots. I should have just done the dots and stuck them on the tops of these. And here's another glitter purple. It's a little deceiving, the top, because I thought they were magnetic maybe, but they're not. So they aren't something that I can wear, but I can use them. I have to wear gloves, but I could use these on clients. They're very beautiful. And Model 1 polishes are, they level really great. They're really nice polishes. And they're very inexpensive. So if you're just starting out and trying to build a little bit of a polish collection, this is a perfect way to do it. And then you see there were some greens, like a teal, a medium, and a dark teal, and a medium blue, a white and a black. And then the glitters that are in this. This one is so pretty. These both have, see, it's definitely will build up in a couple coats. I went ahead and put it really thin up there so you could tell. And then this one that's black, also same thing. And those will look beautiful over any of these colors, just with a light coat, or just do like a little waterfall. Those two are really bright. But the rest of them are pretty toned down, really, but they're gorgeous. I love these hollow glitters. All right, I'm gonna do a little artwork. I wasn't sure. Oh no. I cured that on here to see if I could peel it up. I was hoping, hope I don't just ruin this. So they are easy to peel up. You can cure them on this. This is just a mat I bought, and like to practice freehand, and I didn't really want to do it on there. I think you can, like, you can do this with anything. You can print something off and put it between some, what's this stuff called? I'm just going to do a little freehand here. Practicing, just looking at these pictures kind of helped me, like, with trying to practice it. You can draw just right on this and cure it and then put it on your nail. But I just wanted to do a little bit. We won't talk about that one. That one's awful. But the one, that one there is pretty cute. I did that one pretty good. Anyway, I really like these polishes. They are beautiful. And I paired just the lightest one with that duochrome I loved. And there you have it. Please go check them out. The links are down below. Absolutely fabulous Black Friday deals. I believe these are half off. Something crazy. Go check them out. All right. Thanks, you guys. Stay tuned for a little fun video. I don't know what I have here at the end. Bye. All right. We are coloring masks I bought for us to color. Show Mommy your snowman.
I'm still getting some paint.
Okay.
That's super light.
Okay, put up your face again. Well, and Penny didn't like it?
Penny was sniffing.
She just didn't care?
Her sniffing.
Oh, okay. Well, you need to put your name on the back of it, huh?